Welcome back, and let me say a happy birthday to Mr. Benjamin Ni Aikwe Ama of the AMA. You are the Metro Coordinating Director. It's your birthday today. This lovely sent to you from your PR department and all your staff at AMA. Happy birthday. If it's yours as well. But the big thing is coming up. The China Trade Week is supposed to be that single platform that will bring businesses together. The Ghanaian side, the Chinese side, face-to-face, interacting, manufacturers, industries and all the businesses in between to have that kind of cooperation and see how we can foster integration on the business front. I've been joined this morning by Zahoor Ahmed, is a Vice President of Strategy and Partnership at MIA Group. Zahoor, good morning. Thank you very much for your time. How are you doing?
Very well.
I understand that the China Business Forum is just ended in Kenya. How did it go?
We were very privileged. It was the 5th edition, so we've kind of contributed to 5 years of development of the brand in Kenya. We had considerable support for both industry and government.
Right.
We welcomed over 30,000 trade visitors over 2 phases. Okay. The show has grown to that level, and 500 industry SMEs from China. And we want to take that kind of success and obviously bring it to the 3rd edition of Ghana this year, taking place on the 19th to the 21st of June this year, and at the Accra Int'l Conference Center. So we're very privileged that we're kind of bringing that kind of success, hopefully, to Accra.
What are your expectations for this 3rd edition? I mean, a 3rd edition would suggest that Ghana then is a very good marketplace where we can grow businesses. But what are your immediate expectations for this 3rd edition?
Well, Ghana is one of the Belt Road Initiative territories, which is part of the Chinese government for strategic development of trade. Us being here for 3rd year shows indication of growth. Okay. We have successfully grown the platform from the 1st year, and now with the 3rd edition. So a number of exhibitors, we're expecting over 100 plus exhibitors coming in, and about 7,000 trade partners. Wow. So we moved also the show from the previous 2 editions, which was at the Kempinski, and now we're at the new venue, the Accra International Conference Center. So growth is part of our obviously mandate. Right. So we're expecting the same engagement and business interaction from local buyers, local kind of distributors, and people wanting to do business with Chinese SMEs.
Let's look at the translation of the numbers you see at the exhibition at the business trade show into real-time establishment, into real-time manufacturing production. What has been the story from the 1st and now the 3rd?
A lot of development. We have a lot of kind of partnerships on the ground. Ministry of Business Development is one of our key ministry support. Right. We have obviously industry support from the WTA and GSEC. So these industry partners have been with us from day one. And that translates into projects on the ground in terms of infrastructure, manufacturing, production, all the way through to now the mandate for one district, one factory. So our platform kind of looks at the local and national infrastructure projects, and we try to bring the relevant industry partners to invest into those sectors. I see. So growth and partnerships are very key to the mandate that we have at China Trade Week.
I'm sure somebody is intrigued. They want to know, how can I participate? This is all going to happen. Where can I fix myself in there? Yes.
Well, the show attendance is free. We have already had encouragement in terms of numbers of visitors through our platform CTWGhana.com. The 3-day show is free to all businesses, so we encourage obviously registration and people to attend. They'll be meeting 100 plus exhibitors from different sectors. There's the business-to-business platform there where we have numerous one-to-one business meetings taking place with SMEs and buyers. We have a 3-day pack conference from our local partners taking place to industry leading experts discussing the Sino-China relationship. So the 3 days are really there for businesses on the ground, both in Accra and national, who are going to be coming to the show to discuss new partnership, new ventures. So we're very encouraged to see obviously this year's show to be really growing considerably more than last year, and we expect a lot of business to be done on the ground.
I see. What do you need to have? For example, I have a small SME. I'm trying to learn how to manufacture shoes. I'm trying to turn over my profits and all of that. Why must I attend this trade show?
Well, The technology side of business, the price competitiveness of business, obviously China is one of the forefront partners for Ghana. So you are meeting hopefully your potential new partner to do such business. From manufacturing, from electronics, from kind of agriculture, from lighting. You've got a variety of SME producers and manufacturers that come to Accra to do business with obviously Ghanaian businesses. Previously, obviously, Ghanaian business had to travel all the way to China to even open those conversations. Our mandate is to bring China to Africa.
I see.
We're connecting China to Africa.
Right to the doorstep. So you don't have to go up and down. Where's the party happening? I like to ask that question.
At the Accra International Conference Center.
Okay.
So
when?
19th to the 21st of June. The doors open from kind of 9 o'clock in the morning to 6 p.m. So again, throughout the day, they can meet different industry sector leaders, technology suppliers, manufacturers in different sectors. Then take some time to go into the conference and the workshop and the seminars. Then have business one-to-one meetings. So, we encourage people to kind of register early, come early, and hopefully do a lot of business and form partnerships moving forward.
See, that's the structure of the program. But you care to break it down a bit? For example, who's speaking at any of the conferences, if you want to shed some detail?
We have all of our partners. So from the Ministry of Business Development, from World Trade Center, all of our key sectors are participating. The subject matters are variety in terms of the Sino-China relationship. We have 4 districts from China also presenting their sectors also at the show in terms of what those sectors bring to the table in terms of conversations and industry. And we also have then industry leaders, independent companies coming on from banking institutions as well, looking at the financial infrastructure in terms of to-do investment. So it's a variety, very fun-packed and full-packed kind of conference agenda over 3 days, and we're hoping to make sure that engagement, content sharing is very kind of prevalent throughout the platform.
If you want to exhibit your products or you want to show what you have to be able to give you the impetus to get a worthy partner from China, what number do you call?
There's a local number on the website. If you go to ctwghana.com.
You need to say that slowly for us.
ctwghana.com. So there's a local number which obviously they can access. But this year we're very proud to have a Ghanaian village as well, which is a very focused part of the show. So we have local producers, local manufacturers that are also going to be exhibiting their services. Now these are partners and companies that are also looking to export. China Trade Week, Ghana is looking to a bilateral trade engagement. So as long as the trade is happening both ways, we're very encouraged and we want to be encouraging that kind of trend moving forward.
Okay, that's your camera. I want your closing thoughts. Share with Ghana what's on your mind finally.
Well, CTW Ghana, we're very proud to say, is in its 3rd edition. We welcome all businesses that are looking to do business with, to develop their trade, develop their sectors, look at new products and look at new investment opportunities with Chinese SMEs. We have the support of both industry, both government, which we're very proud of. We want to encourage all businesses to kind of register at ctwghana.com. Come to the show early, come and do business, and hopefully meet your new Chinese investment and partners moving forward. And we look forward to a fantastic show in the next couple of days.
Thank you, Mr. Zahoor Ahmed. He's the Vice President in charge of strategy and partnerships at Mir Groups. And you know that the table is set for all of us to wine and dine at the China Trade Week happening sometime from the 19th to the 21st. You can't miss it. We'll see you after the break.